Hi, David Odell here with OdellCompleteConcrete. This is our first day on this job site. What we're going to be doing here is adding a little sidewalk from the parking lot to the front door. It looked like they were cutting through that planter bed and walking on those stepping stones. So we're going to concrete it in. Here's a foundation repair I'm going to do. And it's all along the front of this building. It's from the sprinklers being so close and basically spraying where they're not supposed to spray. So you got hard water deposits build up that are just eating the aluminum and the concrete over the years. We have a lot more detail on this repair of this foundation on the Patreon account, and that really goes into close-up detail on how to do that patch. So back to this concrete work here. There's a sprinkler we're capping off, the one that was close to the building there that caused a lot of damage. We're going to put the walkway right up against the foundation there. Now this is only about 20 feet long, maybe not even that, but it's about 3 feet wide. We're just going to curve it through this planter area. And we have some bender board here we're going to use. We're going to mix this concrete up by hand. We're going to use pre-mix bags. And the mix we're using is a brand called MILWAUKEE. I like this MILWAUKEE because it's easy to finish. It has a lot of cream on the top, so when you get down to edging it, troweling it, you notice a big difference between other people that make bag mixes. You can make them all good if you modify them, you know. If you get the bad ones, you could throw some cement in them, but I like to just be able to buy it where it's already good. So we're mixing this up pretty dry. And you notice I'm not even using a rod board here. I'm just freehanding this because it varies from 36 inches to 30 inches. And I got a 12-inch wide or long hand float. Now we're going to do a salt finish on this as well. That's a whole bunch of holes in the surface of the concrete. And that's normal. They call it a salt finish because you use salt rock to make the holes by tapping it in. And then you rinse the salt off the next day and it dissolves and leaves all the holes in the surface. But we didn't have any rock salt, so we just grabbed a bunch of sticks, random sticks out of this planter and from bushes, and we just poked holes in the top and it matched up really nice. There's the stick process simulating a rock salt finish. And you don't have to rinse it the next day to expose the holes. They're instantaneous this way. You know they actually make rubber stamps to do this finish as well. Salt rock finish. They have rubber maps also to stamp out your ADA. You know, your cross lines for going down ramps. You can stamp those out too instead of doing 12 joints. So they have rubber mats for just about any finish. I have the winners here. We did a random selection through one of those Google apps, and here's the announcement for the big MILWAUKEE stud tapes. We have Drum 247. We have Matthew Fleck. We have Daniel Lopez. We have Jason, and we have TSX3214. Those are the winners. So as soon as you hear this, send me your information so I can give it to MILWAUKEE and they will mail it out. Thanks for participating in that action. Have a good one.